Alright, Salva students, today what we're going to do is we're going to go over an advanced hip escape from full mount, okay? What I want to do is I want to get my opponent off of my hips so that I can turn to my side. First thing I do is I put my hands right at the base of his waist, right here where his hips meet. I'm going to use my arms and my hips to lift him up into the air and turn to my side. Oompa! Right there to the side. Once I get right here, I'm blocking. I can either block with my elbow or grab the pant leg. I'm going to lift and trap this leg with my leg that's on top. Scoop it and I trap it with the other leg right there. Okay, once I've trapped this leg, I'm going to push down on the leg, on his knee, and bring my knee up simultaneously, right there. Once I get through there, I'm going to underhook, grab at the back right here at the belt, and I hip escape out this side, right there. Bring my other arm in, I block this knee now. Now I'm going to get this one, my knee straight through again, use this underhook to open this area right here. I pull him towards me, hip escape, and bring my other leg through to full guard. So you can see from this side, same thing. Hands on the waist, I use my arms and my waist to get him up to Oompa. Turn to my side, I block the leg, bring his leg down while my knee comes up. Right here, push down, come up, hip escape out this side. My underhook, grab his belt and block right here at this leg. As I push this leg down, I bring my leg up, continue with this underhook to stretch him